Alright, so if you look at my writing score, you could see that that's 90 out of 90. But just close to that, you have got reading 89. It was like 72 when I gave my previous attempt. And I was like really scared upon coming here. I had got no clue on how to do the reading module. Even after doing like 1 to 2 days of practice, I was like, I'm pretty confident about listening, I'm pretty confident about speaking, and I'm confident about writing. But even after doing a lot of exercises, I got no clue on how should I be actually tackling this reading module, because those questions appear to be really complex. I found it really hard to find the connection between reordered sentences, because I thought that many of those sentences like had a connection in between them by itself. I found it hard to where to put that. Like the first sentence should be really damn good. The last sentence should be closely related to that one. So should I be putting the second sentence first, second? Oh no, the ordering. It always confused me. Just like I'm confusing you now. All right. So doing the reading module helped me personally to know the pattern of the exam, how I should be looking at each question, how I should be reading at the question, and how to intelligently select the option so that I won't miss the score for the reading module. Apart from that, multiple choice questions are very confusing. As a student aiming for a band 8 score, I had no choice to totally avoid that. I had to be in the fire. I had to walk through the fire. I had to somehow face that. So I had to attend those multiple choice questions. After doing a lot of practice, I could come close to 78% if you calculate it by percentage when I did the practice questions here. But as soon as I started doing the master stroke, I came to understand what should the pattern be, like how should we be looking at the questions for reading, and I was able to intelligently make choices there as well. That brought my score to 89. The only point I missed there was one specific question which was a multiple choice question. I was pretty sure about one option, but I didn't want to take a choice on the second one. I was glad to lose 1 point, but I didn't want a negative marking for that one. So I intelligently avoided one option and just went by the only option which I was damn sure about. That brought one score down for me, otherwise it would have been 90. So master stroke is really helpful. Thank you.